Work processes are specific. They refer to very specific situations and occupational requirements. This is also the case with Anna Berry's work process. Apprentice-trained workers and trainees of XY company exchange the heating circulation pump in the family house of private customer AB. Such and similar work processes are available in many different variants. Their design depends, among other things, on what the customer wants, which systems and components are to be offered and installed, or what structural conditions prevail. The question immediately springs to mind: how do you put structure into this diversity? How can you guarantee that your trainees are fully prepared and equipped with the necessary skills for their future professional lives? Professional fields of action are a solution for this. Professional fields of action summarize similar work processes, generalize them, and connect them with the educational objectives of the training. Fields of action describe the typical activities of a profession. There are several fields of action for any given profession. Anna Berry trains plant mechanics in sanitary heating and climatic engineering. She wants her trainees to be as widely qualified as possible. To achieve this, she describes professional fields of action for her work. The work process analysis she's already created and the curricula of the occupational field are the central starting point for this. And she proceeds as follows. First of all, Anna gives the field of action a general, meaningful title. In her case, installation and commissioning of standard heating systems. In addition to the sample process she's already developed, the exchange of a pump in a family house, she also finds a few other typical job variants, such as the new installation of a high-efficiency pump in a public building, or the refurbishment of a complete heating installation in an old building. In addition, Anna notes which statements in the curricula fit into their field of action and which requirements for the training they can cover with it. Then she describes the typical process sequence. That means the work steps in a generalized form for each process phase: order acceptance, planning, execution, and completion. The order execution phase looks something like this for Anna. 1. Site discussion with a customer and colleagues based on the workflow plan. 2. Taking into account new customer wishes or changes due to local conditions and incorporating them into the flowchart. 3. Carrying out the order according to work schedule and legal requirements. 4. Checking the workmanship. 5. Commissioning and delivery to the customer. Next, Anna describes the skills that the trainees should develop in order to successfully pass through the 4 process phases. These can be professional, methodological, or social skills. Finally, Anna mentions, in addition to working methods and legal requirements, those development trends that can be addressed in the teaching sessions, such as developments in building automation to regulation of the heating system, or new energy technologies, such as the installation of fuel cell heating appliances. Anna now has all the information with which she can develop learning and work tasks in the next step. You have now also come to know a further building block for handling and processing-oriented training. Do you want some more? Then take a look at how to create learning and work tasks. Have fun!